Please welcome Chloe, Paige, and Kendall, dancing to Buckle Up.